Hi guys, I'm Phoebe from In the Great Wide Travel Lifestyle blog. I am also a bartender and a whiskey lover. So today I want to show you my favorite cold weather cocktail recipe. It's called the Hot Toddy. Toddy is great for brunch, if you have a hangover, or even if you have a cold. So let's get started. First, I'm going to boil the water for my tea. Now, I like to use Trader Joe's Earl Grey tea because it's a little bit more citrusy than other Earl Grey teas that I've had. So it just adds a little bit more of that lemon flavor. So this is going to steep for 5 to 6 minutes, and while it is steeping, we are going to add about ½ an ounce of honey. And about ½ an ounce of lemon. You can use a jigger if you want, but the amount that you put in does not need to be precise. So it's been 5 minutes that our tea has been steeping, so now I'm going to take the tea bag out and discard it. And now comes the fun part where we add the whiskey. I have my jigger here, and this small side of the jigger is 1 ounce. A shot is 1.5 ounces, but I usually just do 1 ounce of whiskey in my hot toddies because more than that it can get a little overpowering. And as far as what whiskey you use, you don't want to use anything that is expensive. You want to use a cheaper whiskey. So that's 1 ounce. Dunk that in there and stir it up. And voila, a hot toddy. And that's it. That's how you make a hot toddy. It is super simple and it's perfect to drink in the mornings to replace mimosas. It's perfect to drink if you have a cold because the warm tea and the honey will help soothe the sore throat, and the whiskey and the lemon will help clear out your sinuses too. It makes for a great afternoon drink because it has the caffeine to help you get through the rest of your day, but just enough whiskey to keep you sane while you're doing it. But be careful not to drink it too late in the day because it does contain caffeine. However, there are a ton of variations that you can do on this, on a hot toddy. So you could make one with just water and no tea, or you could make one with a decaf black tea, which I also do in the evening sometimes, and it's really nice for winter nights. Just let me know in the comments if you want more variations on the hot toddy. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the Great Wide somewhere. Ha ha ha!